Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video is very important, useful and creative in itself because in this video I am going to share very beautiful, trendy and amazing hand embroidery design ideas relevant to mouth mask, anti-pollution, anti-smoke, anti-fog, handmade, breathable, lightweight with double inner filters, mouth mask with you. All of these mouth masks, or we can also term them as face masks, are easy, lightweight, comfortable, and breathable to wear for the whole day. And as you know, that the winter season is in its full swing and the weather is very pollutant. So it is very important for us and for our safety to wear masks. And by keeping ourselves safe and at the same time we can maintain our look by remaining elegant. So very simple, easy, classy and stylized patterns of hand embroidery have been made on all of these masks. So beauty and creativity of these masks would attract you to wear them all day, and at the same time you will look classy, elegant, and your health will be maintained. So if you really like the design ideas and creativities of our today's design collection, then don't forget to like, subscribe and leave comments in the comment section below so that we can get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our new and upcoming days. Up till then, guys, take care. Thank you so much for watching.